In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a minimalist looking aesthetic background for your Windows 10 computer. The first thing that we need to do is change the color of the taskbar just to match the look and feel. Right click on the desktop and go personalize. Then you can go to colors, and here you can change the taskbar to a more dark color. You see, that's the first thing. The second thing that we want to do is also hide all the desktop items. So we right click on the desktop again and then click on show desktop items. Gone. Very good. Now the program that is going to allow us to have all these widgets in our desktop, it's called Rainmeter. So we go to the website rainmeter.net and then we can just download the installer from here. I'm going to speed run through the installation because I'm pretty sure you know how to do all of that. Now we have the program installed, and now let's try to find some skins. I usually get the skins from DeviantArt, but apparently they have a link. Let's see what they give us. Oh yeah, so they just apparently they just have like a few spots for you to find the skins. So let's see, let's look for one that it's actually good. Rainmeter. Let's go to gallery. I don't know. Oh, I like this one. Okay. Okay, so I found a skin that I like. How about this? Ooh, this one is actually pretty cool. Okay, so I found a skin that I actually like. I'm just gonna click the download button. I think I have to log in. So basically just log into DeviantArt and then you will be able to download them. So once you download the skin from DeviantArt, you basically just need to double click on it. And here we have it. Click install. And this is the theme already playing. You can tell that the time is right, 10:03. And here we can change some settings for the actual theme, like changing the clock format. I prefer for it to say AM, and alarms. Here you can choose which media player it's going to be taking the now playing information from. I'm just gonna do music B because I have tried it and it works. The color of the font, if you want to do a bright white, if you want to do a black, or if you want to do some sort of gray, that's fine. Now the only thing that we need to do is actually change the background, which is like super easy. Just Google minimalist background. Like, this is the easiest part. Also, you can go to Unsplash, and here you will find a bunch of copyright free images that are like very high quality. For example, this mountain, I love it. Just gonna download for free. Alright, so now that we've downloaded the picture from Unsplash, let's go ahead and set it up as our desktop background. Display settings, no, wrong. Personalize. And can we choose this? Center fit stretch. There we go. How does that look? This gray, I don't like it. How about a dark black? Yeah, I think a black. It's way better than a white. Yeah, for sure. Alright, if you want to move the clock thing, you just need to click and hold it and move it around. So this is it for this video. There are a bunch of other widgets that we can install. If you'd like for me to make another video with more details on like music, for example, or any other features, leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more random knowledge. Bye-bye.